Hello guys, today I'm gonna tell you about the possible cause when after the cycle has finished there is excess foam inside your washer Beko B100. So if after the cycle has finished there is excess foam in the washing machine, the possible reasons for this are the wrong amount of the detergent or the type that you used to this cycle. Remember that for porous fabrics such as tulle, use less detergent. Check that you refill the detergent in the good chamber in your detergent roll, and in the next step try to start the self-cleaning of the drum and try to make your cycle again. That's it. Thanks for watching. Leave us a like or comment, and goodbye.